Hello everyone, Qwen3 has been released. The biggest change this time is that it enables AI not only to answer questions quickly, but also to think slowly like a human, and can even switch according to your needs at any time. This hybrid thinking mode, combined with multilingual support and high efficiency at low cost, gives Qwen3 more possibilities in practical applications. Now, an increasing number of industries and individuals hope to use large language models to improve efficiency and solve problems. But in reality, many large models face practical challenges, such as the increasing scale of models, leading to rising costs for inference and training. Sometimes, although the model is powerful, when handling complex reasoning tasks, it may think not deeply enough or answer too quickly, resulting in less accurate outcomes. There are also limitations in multilingual and multi-scenario adaptability, making it difficult to meet the diverse needs of global users. Qwen3 specifically addresses these issues with proposed solutions. It has two architectures: sparse expert, MoE, and dense. MoE models like Qwen3 235B A22 band, Qwen3 30B A3B, have a very large total number of parameters, e.g. 235B, but only activate a portion of expert parameters during each inference, e.g. 22.b. This ensures the model's expressive capability while reducing resource consumption during inference. Dense models like Qwen3 32B and Qwen3 14 Buse, all parameters during each inference, with a simpler structure, suitable for scenarios with specific requirements for inference, speed, and deployment environments. Taking actual testing as an example, in the Codeforce's programming capability evaluation, Qwen3 235B A22 achieved an ELO score of 2,056, surpassing OpenAI UN 1,891, performing similarly to DeepSeek Roan 2029 and Geminitwo 0.5 Pro 2001. They are at comparable levels. This high performance, low-cost design provides more options for enterprises and developers. Qwen3's hybrid thinking mode is also quite interesting. Users can choose to let the model think slowly or answer quickly based on task difficulty. For example, in the AIM24 math competition test, Qwen3 in thinking mode showed that as the allocated reasoning budget, i.e., the number of thinking tokens, increased, its accuracy improved from 40% to over 80%, while non-thinking mode remained around 40% consistently. This shows that for complex problems, the model can improve answer accuracy through step-by-step reasoning. For ordinary users, this is like conversing with an assistant that can both think deeply and respond quickly. It demonstrates the model's ability to adapt based on problem complexity. In terms of multilingual and multi-scenario adaptation, Qwen3 supports up to 119 languages and dialects, covering the world's major language families. This means whether it's English, Chinese, Indonesian, or Arabic, users can enjoy a relatively consistent experience. For multinational enterprises or multilingual communities, this lowers technical barriers and enhances the universality of applications. The training of Qwen3 consists of two stages. The first stage is large-scale pre-training, which equips the model with general language and knowledge capabilities. After that, Qwen3 undergoes 4 stages of post-training. The first stage is cold start for long-chain reasoning, where the model learns to reason step by step, laying the foundation. The second stage is reinforcement learning for reasoning, where a reward mechanism helps the model explore and summarize patterns more effectively during reasoning. The third stage is thinking mode fusion, combining the two abilities of step-by-step reasoning and rapid response, enabling the model to flexibly switch according to the task. The fourth stage is general reinforcement learning, further optimizing the model's performance on a broader range of tasks, enhancing its versatility and stability. Simply put, first teach the model how to think slowly, then let it learn how to think more intelligently, and finally enable it to combine speed and adaptability for various tasks. Qwen3 is like an assistant that can both take its time to think clearly before answering and give you an answer right away. It can not only communicate with you in multiple languages, but also adjust its thinking depth, according to your needs, making it suitable for solving complex problems as well as handling simple, everyday questions. Of course, Qwen3 also has limitations. Although it performs well in areas requiring complex reasoning such as mathematics and programming, in areas like common sense question answering and open domain dialogue, the improvement in reasoning ability may not be as pronounced. Additionally, how to better balance the use of thinking and non-thinking modes is also a question that requires ongoing exploration. In practical use, Qwen3 offers multiple options. Whether using professional frameworks like SG-Lang or VLLM, or local tools like Olema or LM Studio, users can find deployment methods that suit their needs. At the same time, Qwen3 also provides standard API interfaces compatible with OpenAI API, reducing integration difficulty. For developers, the Qwen Agent Toolkit also simplifies the development process. The release of Qwen3 is not just about larger parameters and faster speed. More importantly, it makes the AI's way of thinking controllable and transparent. Which industries do you think such AI will affect? And what new challenges will it bring? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoy this type of content, remember to follow us. See you next time.